Good morning. Good morning. I thought that the first thing I'd be doing today was showing you how I am going to complete retightening my hair. I thought that, and then my husband woke me up this morning with a different idea. But last night I went ahead and put the back of my head into sections that I braided because I knew I was going to retighten my hair using those braids. Oh my, I got a clip here. But when I woke up this morning, I was reading and my husband said, "Do you want to go for a walk?" That means let's go for a walk. And who am I to turn down my husband? Time with him. Nah. So now I'm getting ready to put my hair in a way that I can go out and still represent us well. So I think that I know that I'm going to do this. I'm going to pull that section back that's already done. Use my goodie clip there. And I am not sure when I'm going to get back to this because I think that we're going to also go out to breakfast and who knows what's next. So let me take a look at the back of my hair. I think that's good enough for a walk. At least good enough to go for a walk. I think I'm going to add these two. Let that come down. Take those two braids that are already done. And hopefully it'll stay there. Slide that loose piece in there. And I'm ready to go out for my walk. And I will let you see what else happens today. See you later. Oh, my 360. Okay, I'm starting out early before my husband because I know that he's going to catch me anyway. But he says he's ready and he has to come out from behind the backyard. But I'm going to make my way through. Wow. This man looks like it's summertime. No sleeves. Just like it's really, really warm out here. I know it's 56 degrees, but you need more clothes than that. But I will not say a word. Guys, we're back from walking and we're getting ready to go out to breakfast. We're going to take about a 45-minute drive to go to breakfast. because we want to go to breakfast, just do something a little different. Back in October when we were in Charlotte, we got used to going to First Watch. And so we're going to take that ride, not to Charlotte, of course, because that's 2.5 hours or less, but we're going to take a shorter ride. So notice I didn't take out all my braids yet, and I just might not. I might let it hang down like this, hide some of the braids. Yeah. I am driving, so I'll reach back and take these braids out as we go to First Watch for breakfast, and I'll show you that once we get there. We have arrived. We're at First Watch. And we invited two of my husband's, well, one of my husband's classmates, and she's bringing her sister. Here I am, and I'm getting ready to go ahead in and order my breakfast. Too much lint. Good evening, guys. We are back home. We had pretty much a full day. Only thing that I didn't record was a visit to my brother's house. But now I'm going to get ready to make us a quick dinner. After dinner, I have a family meeting on Zoom, and then I have a meeting with my class. I have enrolled in classes with Morris College School of Theology. 2 classes I'm taking this year are a survey of the Old Testament and design for preaching. And that's at 7. And it'll last 2 hours. So I know that I will not get back to retightening my hair tonight. But I will show you some of my retightening in another video. Tomorrow I will be going in to the salon, and I'll have time later on tomorrow evening to start on finishing my retightening in the back of my hair. Yes, this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He blesses me, and He has blessed me immensely in that He's just so good. I spent a wonderful day, and that's because of God. I am standing here talking to you, and that is because of God. God keeps me, and He blesses me. He shows me the way, and I will follow Him. And I would suggest that you do the same. Have a great day.